turning your engine to A160. Turning good. And the front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor look nice. Altimeter without any damage. And on this side everything looks good. This engine starting all broken, as you can see. Look as well at the gearbox. You don't see any damage. And on this side everything nice. Engine's turbo looking good. Turbo turn. On the top all connectors without any damage. And on the bottom oil sump without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine to A160.